Hello, friends. Thank you for coming in my channel. So let's jump to the topic. Today we are creating a small program in which we will calculate monthly rent. Okay, let's jump to the code. So open your VSS code. So we will comment out these all our old code. So suppose our uh, yearly yearly amount of amount rent is equal to 50,000 rupees. Okay, so we have to calculate monthly rent. So monthly rent is equal to yearly amount rent, which is divided by 12 months, because in the year only 12 months are there. So now we will print your monthly rent is, and after comma we will write monthly rent. Let's see, calculate our monthly rent. So doesn't know. Okay, our monthly rent is 4166.66. So these after points are looking odd. I will I want to print these numbers. Only I want to that they will show me only two after point numbers. So for this, keep watching our video. I will make a video on this, that how to short these after decimal number into 2, 3, 4, whatever you want. So thank you for watching. That's all for today. Keep watching.